Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and in today's video we're going to have a look at Twinkl's English lesson packs. On our website you will find lesson packs for all areas of the English curriculum, including poetry, non-fiction texts, Shakespeare and persuasive writing, to name just a few. Each lesson pack comes with everything you need to teach that topic successfully. The first place to look is the overview. This will give you an introduction about the topic, as well as giving you assessment statements and home learning ideas. The overview also comes with a breakdown of the lesson, so you can see quickly and easily the ways in which the topic will be covered. This can be great to share with students before you start a topic to get an idea of what they would be most interested in. All our lesson packs also come with PowerPoints to support you in the delivery of the session. You'll also find success criteria for you and your students to assess their work, and activity sheets which are differentiated so all learners will be challenged appropriately. On our website you will also find English lesson packs which focus on spelling, punctuation and grammar, or SPaG for short. These are a fantastic way to support children in this area of the English curriculum, and like our other lesson packs, come with PowerPoints and activity sheets, which can be perfect for home learning tasks. Finally, here are my recommendations for some of the resources to look out for. Firstly, if your child or class are in Year 3, then why not try our Hansel and Gretel poetry lessons? If they're in Year 4, you could try this 3 Billy Goats Gruff letter writing pack. Or if they're that little bit older, this pack about explorers involves your child or class writing their own blog. And it's a great way to help support young people develop a positive relationship with social media. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. For some more helpful tips for teaching English, head over to our website or check out some of the other videos on our YouTube channel.